Step into a world of luxury with the Niagara Observa matte black concealed shower, available here at Bella Bathrooms. With its sleek matte black finish, this shower valve is designed to make a statement in any bathroom. The square handset, 1.5 meters length hose, and square sealing arm add a modern touch, while the slimline square shower head provides an invigorating shower experience. Crafted with a durable brass body, this triple concealed shower valve offers precise control over your water temperature and flow. Thanks to the thermostatic cartridge, you can enjoy consistent and comfortable shower every time. Plus, with automatic shutoff in the event of cold water supply failure, you can have peace of mind knowing that hot water spikes are prevented. Upgrade your bathroom to new heights of sophistication with a Niagara Observa matte black concealed shower valve. Indulge in luxury and create your own personal oasis at home. Discover this and the rest of the Niagara range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.